So I got new buttons for these. As you can see, they are quite disgusting. So all you do is you take out that Allen key and then take off your grip here.
It should just slide right off.
The grips are on there a little tighter than I remember. There they go.
You don't want to lose your key.
All right, popped her out. So I think you're supposed to take this whole thing out, but we were able to get a screwdriver in there after we took out this screw right here. Get a screwdriver in there. There's a screw right there. You take that out and the whole thing comes out. And then you're just replacing these rubber things. These all stay. Those are your actual buttons. So there's no wiring or anything involved. All right, got the new buttons in. They work good. Pro tip on the little set nut right here. There's a nut that goes inside of this plastic housing, and there's a point on the end of this this Allen key, and that's what holds this steady. We were trying to put the nut inside of here, which probably would have worked if we would have got it to go, but we figured out that it's supposed to go in here, and it was much easier. So now it's rock solid. All the buttons click. So good to go.